Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Today, we're gonna present you about our project review journal. The title is E-Event Support System for Event Registration. So, first, we're gonna meet the team. My name is Muhammad Fauzan Bintang, and my friend Muhammad Alfarizi Maulana. So, the agenda is first system analysis, and the next abstract, introduction, QR code reader, methodology, result, discussion, and conclusion. So uh, first, what is system analysis? So system analysis registration is one of important aspects that are needed by organization when conducting an activity or event such as seminar, show, conference, and more. So the registration process that is done manually require more cost for the purchase of stationery and registration papers, so that it tends to be enough, yeah, and there may be problem when registering. Abstract. Registration, ticketing, and valid certificate are the series of work that must be done by event organizer. So, introduction. The 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 development of uh, in, increasingly advanced and rapid information technology has now spread in almost all fields such as education, event organizer, business, health, and governments. The registration pro process that is done manually require more cost for the purchase of stationery and registration papers, so that it tends to be uh, in inefficient, and there may be problems when registering. So QR code reader. The current trend in the use of information technology, especially smartphone, has touched almost all peoples. This telecommunication technology is developing very rapidly, following the needs of the community for practical and flexible media to support their daily activities. The information from the manual registration process that was changed to mobile technology through the e-registration system and validation using the QR code will make it more effective and efficient. So the methodology, first the literature study and data collection. The primary data is obtained for observation, interviews, and questionnaires. In the study, the primary data is relating to the need for registration in event. Second data is the data that really exists or can be said as data that ha that has been collected by analyzed by other parties. Requirement analysis. In the requirement analysis phase there are primary and secondary data analysis activities determining system indicator system analysis, extracting system requirement that are in the accordance with the indicators achievement, and documenting system requirements. So
Hello, my name is Emal Farizi. I will continue on my presentation and this methodology. 3. System design. At this stage, there are design activities, requirements, process flow, database, application, and interface. After that, 4. Application development. At this stage, an application development is carried out consisting of coding, interface creation, and system installation, like a picture in here. And 5. Application testing. After implementation, a system evaluation will be held, and system evaluation will be carried out at first, second, and third year. Next. And this is results in our project. And the researcher developed a system for managing registration, ticketing, QR code reader, and validation and a certificate using framework. Code Igniter is a backend, and Checker Code library as a QR code generator, MySQL for storing database, and Android Studio for development of a QR code reader and data validation. At the landing page shown in the figure above, the systems will be displayed at least event organizers who have been registered as members. Prospective participant can choose the event to be attended and see detailed information from the event. After the participant has uploaded proof of payment will be verified. The commit, if verified, the ticket in the form of QR code will be sent directly by email to the participant. During the day of the event, participants simply show the QR codes shown in a ticket to be scanned by the commit using mobile apps that function as participant identify validators. And next. And this is our results. This is our registration form. And this is a upload payment form like I explained in above before. And next, this is a ticket. This is a QR code for a ticket for user. And after that, you can download certificate in this form. You fill your name and your ID for the registration. And next. And this discussion in this our project, we have a problem and we have solution too. This is a problem during registration. Event organizers tend to still use paper as a media for participant registration, so that potential participants must come or even QA to register for the event. In addition, the use of paper has the potential to be damaged or lost. The application of a website-based online event registration system so that prospective participants can register wherever and whenever they are without having to queue. Prospective participants who have registered online through the web will receive tickets and QR codes via email. The event commit also does not need to receive registration paper or form again because all participant registration data has been stored in the system database. Next. And problem 2, during a registration, event organizers tend to still use paper or participant registration media, causing participant to come or even to enter the location of the event. Again, the use of paper has potential be damaged or lost. And the solution, the application of the online event registration system also provides a QR code reader feature for event organizers to replace conventional verification methods such as participant presence form using paper. QR codes obtained by participants after registering will be shown to the event commit during the registration process to verify their attendance. With the transition of the registration process from the paper media presence method to attendance verification by scanning the QR code participant using the QR code reader, it is expected that the participants queuing time and the user presence attendance paper can be reduced. And this is our conclusion. Events held in Indonesia tend to apply processes that are still using conventional methods. Conventional method cause some process to be inefficient in terms of time and cost. Processes that run inefficiently, such as the process registering participants, re-registering participants, ticketing, and giving participants certificates. With the presence of e-event, it is expected to increase efficiency in this process, especially in the registration process, such as the presence of online registration features, tickets, QR codes, and certificates. And that's it. Our presentation. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.